Good morning, family. It's your man Patron. It's a little hot. Get the hat going on right here because it's a little humid here in Miami. My boy Kelson just pulled up. You already know the kid right here. Guys, I'm super excited right now. We are heading off to the airport to pick up the rental because today is the day I've been waiting for a long. Yo, put the music down. I'm making a video. Guys, today's the day I'm picking up the brand new Nissan GTR today. I've been obsessed about this car. I've been doing everything from Medellin, Colombia. I've been finding an apartment, getting a car, getting the loan, finding the car, closing the deal, everything from South America. So I'm excited right now. We're gonna head off to Sarasota, Florida. It's about 3.5 hour drive. So we're gonna head up there, pick up the GTR. I'm so excited to have such a huge transition in my life, to be going from driving for Lyft in January to picking up a brand new GTR. Guys, I'm so excited. So without further ado, let's head to the airport. What's going on, guys? It's your man Miami Patron. I'm back in the state of Florida. I came back from Colombia and I could not be more excited than to come pick up my brand new GTR, guys. It's been a minute since, gosh, it's been such a blessing over the last couple months now, and this is just the next step in the journey, guys. I'm humbled. This is everything. I just give thanks to God. I give thanks to my mentor, Bob Proctor. And just everything. I'm thankful for all my clients, all my business partners, all the associations that have come here. I'm not here because of myself. It's been a team effort, mentorship, and I'm just here to implement everything that I learned, guys. So I'm excited to be here, test driving the vehicle here. So check this out, guys. So I got a 2012 Nissan GTR. It has 10,000 miles, so it's almost a brand new car. I like this one because it has the front carbon fiber up here in the front. Has got the carbon fiber on the side here. Don't ask me for the technical stuff. What I like the most is it has the Bordsteiner wheels on it. So I was planning on putting Bordsteiner wheels. I was looking at the price, looking at about $2,700 for the wheels, plus tires. I was looking at about $4,500 to $5,000. This one came with the Bordsteiner wheels on it. It also came with the front lip, which I think is about $1,000. So I love that part right there. We got black on black, and we can't forget the AP wing. So it's got the APR wing here. Cool. Don't ask me about the technical stuff for all you guys that are going on out there. And then we got the front and the back. What a sexy bag. What a sexy bag, guys. So I'm so excited to be picking this up. Already signed the paperwork. Just got to pick up the check. We're going to test drive it right now. Make sure everything's good to go. Then we're going to test drive it, and then we're good to go. And then we're going to head back, maybe up to Tampa. But guys, so excited to introduce my brand new GTR, guys. Damn, that's great. Hi, Steve. How's it going?
Good. How about yourself?
Good to see you.
Good. You gonna put this on video today? Huh? You gonna put it on YouTube?
Yeah, for our YouTube channel.
Check it out.
Yeah, we have to. Well, I have to get it to my editor.
Yeah.
But I have my call with my clients here in like 15 minutes. So I gotta go to the Starbucks, but I just wanted to stop by really quick.
All right, cool.
Yeah. This is crazy. Yeah. What's that? Get this on IG real quick.
Say something?
No, hold on. Let me get this on IG. Ah! My new car! Look at this shit. New whip! It's a new whip! It's a new car! Yo! Keep the content right here, yo! Wow!
Looking at some of your stuff, man. I follow all that stuff for years. How'd you hook up with Bob?
I met him in January. I went to his paradigm shift. He had a paradigm shift this weekend. So I went to the live one in LA. Yeah. And I was like, get this. Yeah, this good content. Yeah, I went to the event with $200 in my account, sleeping in my car. I was like, I needed this. I've been struggling. I was struggling for 5 years as an entrepreneur. Oh. Yo, first startup. A little hot. All right, guys, we got the first startup here and the GTR. Let's go and press the button. Oh my goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Dude, what the fuck? Shit's crazy. Shit's crazy. Alright, let's do this shit. Let's see where it's at. Oh fuck, bro, look at this shit. Shit's crazy. Fucking crazy. Man, I feel so grateful. Everything was in my favor. Everything is in my favor. Like, I'm like shaking right now. Like, just taking all of this in right now. Just trying to process, you know, this entire journey. Oh my gosh, it's like a little overwhelming. I feel like I need to take a nap right now. I'm just super excited, guys. We're gonna head back to the dealership, give them the check, and then we out of here. See you guys. Run this shit, bro.
Mr. Miami Patron.
What's up, guys? Out here with the GTR right now. This is why I got my content man here in the back right here. I'm gonna turn that, yeah, I don't want to get copyrighted. All right, guys, we out here right now doing our thing. We're in the middle of nowhere in Florida. Right now. We're going back to Miami. Just picked up the whip. We got another 4-hour drive. So let's head out. I'll see you guys soon.